In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task in Asana. Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a task in Asana so you can remove tasks that are no longer needed. This is helpful for keeping your workspace clean, avoiding duplicate work, and making sure your project lists only show what's relevant. Start by opening Asana on your desktop and heading into your workspace. Your workspace is the space where you and your team collaborate, and it's usually visible at the top of the interface. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you're part of multiple teams, so you're working in the right place before you proceed. Next, open the project that contains the task you want to delete. Projects are how Asana organizes related tasks, so think of this as going into the folder where the task lives. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct project, especially if your organization has similarly named projects or shared templates. Now, click the task you want to remove. When you select it, the Task Details panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel shows everything connected to that task: the assignee, due date, description, comments, and any attachments. It's a good idea to scan this panel briefly to make sure you're deleting the correct task and that no one is actively depending on it. In the top right corner of the task panel, click the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Actions menu. This menu contains additional options that aren't displayed front and center, including the ability to delete the task. From the drop-down, select Delete Task. Asana will then prompt you to confirm. This confirmation step is there to prevent accidental deletions, so read the prompt carefully. If you're certain the task is no longer needed, go ahead and confirm. If you have any doubts, consider checking with your team or reviewing any linked conversations in the comments before you proceed. Once you confirm, the task will be permanently removed from your project. You'll no longer see it in the task list, board, or timeline for that project, and collaborators won't be able to interact with it. This helps keep your project accurate and reduces clutter, especially in active workflows where extra or outdated tasks can cause confusion. That's all there is to it. Open your workspace, navigate to the project, select the task, use the three-dot menu, choose Delete Task, and confirm. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.